These are interference HyperShift pearls, and if you've been around the channel for a long time, you know that the wildest color combinations that we can come up with are always going to come from interference HyperShifts over bright or bold colored bases. We've got something special for you today. It's our holiday special here, and we're going to try to dazzle you with the wildest color combos we can come up with. And in doing that, we've got interference HyperShift pearls, we've got 6 different bold bases. And instead of spraying speed shapes today for the holiday special, we've got glass Christmas ornaments. We're going to come up with the most intense, most insane Christmas ornaments that the world has ever seen. But the application method, that's where things get a little bit tricky. Now, Gabe, we could just spray the outside of these and keep it simple. But what we thought about doing was trying to preserve the spirit of the glass. We're going to be pouring unreduced Luna automotive paint on the inside, swirling it around to coat the inside, and then letting the glass stay on the outside before we hang it on the tree. Do you think this is going to work?
I hope so.
Here's where things get tricky. If you know how pearls work, you put your base coat down. So you put your orange base coat down, and then you put your HyperShift coats on top of it. But we're doing the reverse of that today. We're going to be putting in the pearl first, swirling that and mixing it around to coat the inside, letting that dry, then pouring in the base to go up behind it. The more I talk about this, the more risky I'm realizing that this is. But it's essentially an inverse of what we do on cars. So we've got 6 interference HyperShifts, 6 bold bases, and what we've got to do now is pair them together. So Gabe, I'm going to rely on you for this. You've got total freedom for it. We've got a yellow-orange base, a red base, a deep purple-violet base, a deep blue, a grass green, and a black, okay? I'll tell you what the HyperShift is. You pair it with a color base. ZGL.
How about the purple?
ZGT.
Red?
ZGN.
Let's go with the green.
ZGM.
I like that pearl, so I'm going to go over black.
ZGF.
I feel like the orange yellow is kind of calling that one.
Good call. And then we finally have ZGA over the deep blue, which you know is going to look incredible. So we've got a lot of work, not much time to do this. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, let me show you where I am in the project so far. So I've got all 6 of them here lined up. All 6 ornaments got 3 internal coats of the HyperShift. We poured it inside, we swirled it around, we made sure to get all the surface area covered, and we did that 3 times. Now, it's really hard to see, but there is a HyperShift effect on the inside of the glass. Now, the challenge here is I won't know how strong the HyperShift effect is until the base color goes inside and gets up behind it to activate the pearl. I'm hoping that 3 coats is enough, and I don't want to go any further because so far it looks like I'm kind of getting away with this, and so many things can go wrong. So now I'm going to take each one of the colored bases, pour it inside, carefully swirl it around. I'm thinking maybe 2 coats of the base should be enough. Turn them upside down, let them dry, and then hopefully we'll have some incredible HyperShift ornaments. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and the goal today was to try to use our HyperShift pigments to create the world's wildest Christmas ornaments. And whether or not we accomplish that, well, I'll leave that for you to decide. Take a look at all of them at the end of the video here and leave a comment below. Let me know which one is your favorite. And I know this was a different type of project, but I'll be honest, I had a ton of fun. I love doing something different with our paints. And if you want to try any of our paints or pigments, head straight to DipYourCar.com. They're all in one place for you. And I wish everyone who's watching a wonderful, safe holiday. Enjoy the time with your family. I'll see you on the next video.